Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I am about to do another one of those fantastic double layer blooms inspired by Fahima at Zarrin Resin Art. Sorry, I had to really think about that for a minute. So I'm using Julie's Bloom Paste, of course, and the resin that I am using is the NicPro Epoxy resin. It's a 1-to-1 resin. I mixed up 4 ounces total of resin, and I let it get to 34 degrees Celsius. And then I started the video. Well, then I decanted 25 grams of the 4 ounces into a cup for my white. Then I started the video. So here's my white. All right, now what's happening over here? Last time I tried this, I tried to put the alcohol ink on a toothpick, and it would not release from the toothpick at all. But I think what the issue was is that the toothpick wasn't prepped. And number 2, I think that the alcohol ink that I used was very alcohol-y. In other words, not highly pigmented. So I'm gonna try again. This is a stick that I use all the time for my blooms. Oh, look at that. So it did come off. So let me just do, whoa, that was a lot. That spread a lot. I don't want that much. Maybe it'll contract. It looks like it is. So I had to re-watch what Fahima did in hers. And it really just looked like she applied the alcohol ink and then swirled it like I am. And that was it. So that's what I'm doing. And this one looks like it's too big. I'm gonna try and make it smaller. I don't know how she did it, honestly. Have no freaking clue. Okay, pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. You could spread out a little more. By the way, the alcohol ink that I am using is Ruby by Decor Rom. And I think these are pretty highly pigmented too, so, I mean, not highly pigmented. All right, we're gonna leave it at that, hopefully. And I'm gonna get piping. I better keep that there. All right, so I got my bag. See if I can do this again. All right. So it's like a little swirl. A little swirl. And whoop. And down. Swirl, swirl. We're back with layer 2. I mixed up another 4 ounces of the NicPro resin, and I decanted 30 grams or 1 ounce over here. I'm gonna add 3 drops of Julie's bloom paste again, and get that all stirred up. So I did put the rest of the resin already in here, letting it just do its thing. Still have to pop bubbles in there. So that's what my white's looking like. I think I'm gonna add the dark one in. So this is Avocado, and it's a dark green. But with the white, it'll make it light green. Okay, I like that. Pretty good. See, scrape off your stick. Get all that in. I'm gonna put this in here. Got my piping bag already. And I'll get that all tied up while I'm letting my alcohol inks do their thing in the mold. Okay. So, I'm gonna do a little bit more of this one. Oops, spit. I want to create the look of, ooh, that was a big squirt. The look of the leaves in the background. And then this one is lime, a nice light green. All right, let's see what that does. Everything is cured. And I have to say, this has been sitting on my bench for days because I've been humming and hawing over whether to put a back coat on this. And I think I'm gonna ask you guys whether I should or not. But I am gonna unmold this and see what we've got. And then we can make a decision. I would prefer to have made the decision before because it's so much easier to put a back coat on while it's still in the mold as opposed to risking having resin running over onto the top. But let's take a chance. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Okay, let's look at this with a white background on it. Oh, that really makes that green pop out. Wow. Look at these little flowers. I love them. Okay, what happens if we do a green backing on it? That works really well too. I have a more vibrant green. Navy? No. I think black's gonna be out too. Yeah. So definitely putting a green backing on it would be good. Or leave it as is. I don't know. I still don't know. So leave in the comments below what your thoughts are. And if you think I should do a backing on it, what color should I use? But let's come in for a close-up. Oops, I'm gonna have to do it this way. Look at that. Oh. It really is just so pretty. Wow, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, well, as I said, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.